everyone, welcome back to the channel. At Huawei's latest launch event, the company introduced several brand new products, including the much-awaited flagship camera lineup, the Pura 90 series. We've already got our hands on the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max and the Huawei Pura 90, so today we're going to do a quick unboxing along with our first hands-on impressions.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
All right, both phones are now out of the box. On the left, we have the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max, while the device on the right is the Huawei Pura 90 Pro. This color option here is called Orange Ocean, and this one is known as Orange Soda. As the name suggests, both designs are inspired by orange-themed colors, so let's check them out more closely. Starting with the Orange Ocean version, it features a glossy rear panel with a very smooth glass-like finish. The frame and the back blend together with a seamless gradient effect that transitions from a vibrant, highly saturated orange into a cool cyan blue shade. Even the camera module follows the same color treatment. Basically, everything apart from the actual lenses is covered in this unified color design, which gives the phone a really clean and premium appearance. Under sunlight, the colors look especially vibrant and eye-catching. The back has a silky, smooth texture with no patterns or extra design elements, making the overall look feel very pure and minimalistic. Now, moving to the Orange Soda version, which is the Pro model, you'll immediately notice that the camera module is slightly smaller compared to the Pro Max, and the phone itself is also more compact overall. This one uses a frosted back finish, while the camera area has a glossy treatment. The side frame comes with a brushed metal-style texture as well. Unlike the Pro Max, the frame here doesn't continue the gradient effect, since the gradient is limited only to the back panel. Still, the colors look incredibly refreshing under sunlight. Personally, I actually prefer the Orange Soda version because I really like the feel and texture of frosted glass. The Pro model is a little smaller in size, and the camera bump is also slightly less noticeable. In terms of thickness, though, both phones are pretty similar. You can clearly see the difference in camera protrusion because the Pro Max packs more advanced camera hardware, which naturally requires a larger module. Overall, the Pro is definitely the more compact device between the two. The biggest upgrade on the Pura 90 Pro Max is its camera system, especially the new 200-megapixel telephoto lens that uses a massive 1.18-inch sensor. Combined with that high-resolution sensor, the camera setup is seriously impressive. Huawei also partnered with a third party for the development of this accessory. We haven't taken it apart yet, so let's have a look together. This is the Professional Photography Kit. The included phone case is made with black vegan leather, and right out of the box, it feels very premium and high quality. Let's put everything together now. All right, the case is fully installed. As you can see, we haven't attached the external lens. The phone itself supports telephoto zoom levels of 10x, 15x, 20x, and 30x, which is equivalent to around 720 millimeters. Right now, we're testing it by shooting the distant buildings and roads ahead. Now let's attach the external lens. There's a locking clip here, and once installed, it stays firmly attached to the phone. After connecting it, you can switch to the dedicated telephoto mode directly in the camera app. Let's go back to the same road scene we looked at earlier. At 13.5x zoom, the framing already looks similar to the previous shot. As we continue zooming in, the image clarity remains surprisingly good. Honestly, this setup feels like an absolute dream for concert photography. The maximum zoom range reaches an equivalent focal length of around 5,000 millimeters to 5,180 millimeters. Earlier, we could only make out the cars far away on the road, but now we can actually see the outlines and shapes of the vehicles much more clearly. All right, everyone, that's it for this quick unboxing and first hands-on look. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!